It's breakfast time. Let's get started. You need 3 small potatoes. Cut them into cubes. First of all, wash them. So once washed, go ahead and start cutting them into cubes just like so. And you just remove any parts that you think they are bad. And then I have half of a bell pepper that I had sitting in the fridge, and I used it as well. You could use red, you could go without, you could also add onions if you want. Go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a hot pan. Let it get heated a little bit, and then go ahead and add your potatoes, and then also add your seasonings. We'll start with half a teaspoon of paprika and half a teaspoon of black pepper and salt. That's all you need. Just add salt to your tasting. Mix it well and just let it cook under medium heat. So once it gets toasted, so I'm mixing it right now under high heat. Once I cover it, I'm gonna go ahead and reduce my temperature as well. Let it cook for 5 minutes. You could go ahead and check on it. And I'm mixing so I could brown it from all sides, just like so. Okay, I went ahead and added a splash of water, and that's just to help to create a steam so the potatoes could go ahead and cook evenly on all over the sides, and I'm not burning them. Checking on them again, I check every 5 minutes, and my potatoes got done rather quick, to be honest with you. So I went ahead and added the last 5 minutes. I added my bell pepper, and I'm just cutting my potato in half over here to show you that it was cooked. Again, I went ahead and just added a little splash of water, and that's for my bell peppers, because as you could see, my mixture was dry. I don't want to add a lot of oil into my food, so that's why I keep adding water. So here's everything that's nicely cooked and done. I served it with avocados and eggs. I hope you guys will enjoy it. Try it at home and comment below.